Hey folks, still solving quadratic equations. I'd like to go through a little bit of terminology. The following four terms are all going to mean the same thing. You could be asked to find a solution or to solve a quadratic equation. That's the exact same thing as me asking you to find the x-intercepts. It's the exact same thing as your calculator looking for zeros. And then the least used term that we're going to be seeing is the word root. All four of these mean the same thing. So I could ask you to solve. I could ask you to find an x-intercept, find a zero, find the roots. And these are all going to mean the same thing. If you would please go down just a little further, here's a few extra tips when you are trying to work out your problems either on my math lab or on the test. The first thing is that if you're asked to find a vertex, there's two different methods that you can use to find a vertex. You could use the vertex form, which was the shortcut. You remember the one that talks about starting with negative b over 2a. So you could use that form, or you could use completing the square. We talked about that. Both of those we talked about in section 3.2. However, if you're asked to solve, you're not asked to find the max or the min, you're asked to solve, then there's four methods that you can use to solve. And remember, I could say go find the solutions, go find the x-intercepts, go find the zeros. Those are the most common ones that we could use. And you're going to do this four different ways. You could use the zero product property or factoring. You could use the square root method. You could use completing the square, or D, you could use the quadratic formula. All four of these will allow you to find a solution. They will allow you to solve. They will allow you to find the x-intercepts or find the zeros. So all of those will do the same thing.